You can click the link 1. Here you just tick reCAPTCHA. After you click continue, you will be redirected to advertising link. Just click the back button or return to the initial tab. Click visit site. Here you are given 2 links. If you don't know anything, you can click original. Just wait for the button to appear and here you go. Now, open After Motion and create a new project. By the way, you need 2 layers like this so that the coloring of the sky is not messy. For projects, you can choose resolution or ratio suit one's taste. Enter the initial animation and second layer. Add this effect. If the black color is not perfect, you can add a replace color effect and follow it like the video. Now let's see the difference between the black and gray layers. For the next, just follow like a video. I'm tired of editing it. Here I'm in the wrong order, so just follow the settings in the video, namely the differences subtract 70%. Add copy background effect. Please note, this 80% depending on your taste. Every animation have different opacity. And here is the result.